Oke, please translate in bahasa, Vincent. Mr. Adi mengendarai mobil.
Tuan Adi mengendarai dari kota A ke kota B. Dalam 1 jam mereka mengemudi berjarak 65 km. Tuan Bayu juga menyetir di arah yang sama. Dalam 1 jam dia berkendara
sejauh
65 km.
Iya, oke, that's good ya, Vincent ya. Jadi katanya nain bahasa. Jadi katanya si Mr. Adi ini dia itu mengendarai mobil dari kota A ke kota B. Nah, dalam 1 jam, dia itu menempuh jarak sejauh 65 km. 65 km. Nah, lalu ada Mr. Bayu. Mr. Bayu juga mengendarai mobil, arahnya sama, from town A to town B. But in 1 hour, dalam 1 jam, dia itu bergerak sejauh 95 km. Oke, if I asking you now, siapa yang paling cepat? Mr. Adi atau Mr. Bayu?
Adi.
Why? Mr. Adi, are you sure? Who is faster?
Mr. Bayu, karena dia 1 jam dan 95 km, Sir. Kalau Mr. Adi masih 65 km 1 jam.
Jadi siapa yang paling cepat?
Mr. Bayu.
Mr. Bayu.
Okay, Vincent said Mr. Bayu. Okay, how about you, Aldiano? Who is faster, Mr. Adi or Mr. Bayu?
Bayu.
Mr. Bayu, why? What's the reason?
95 km.
Karena jarak. Karena, ayo.
Katanya 95 km, Sir.
Iya, that's good ya, Nak ya. That's the reason, Nak ya. Mr. Bayu is faster, Nak. Mr. Bayu yang paling cepat karena dalam 1 jam dia itu jaraknya itu 95 km, sedangkan si Mr. Adi dalam 1 jam hanya 65 km. Oke. Jadi yang paling cepat adalah Mr. Bayu. Oke, nice. Look at this now. Nah, Mr. Adi is driving at a speed of 65 km per hour. Jadi, Nak, karena dalam 1 jam, jaraknya yang ditempuhnya 65 km, maka bisa kita katakan, we can call kecepatan Mr. Adi adalah 65 km per jam. Ya. Jadi kecepatannya itu bisa kita katakan 65 km per jam. Karena apa, Sir? Karena dalam 1 jam jaraknya itu 65 km. Maka bisa kita katakan kecepatannya adalah 65 km per jam. 65 km per hour. Oke? How about Mr. Bayu? How many speed? Berapa kecepatan Mr. Bayu? 95 km per jam. Iya ya. 95 km per hour. Ya. Jadi itulah kecepatannya, Nak. Jadi kecepatan itu menentukan berapa jauh sih dia dalam 1 jam. That's the speed. Do you understand? If I ask you, Nak, kalaulah Sir lari, udah? Sir lari itu dalam 1 jam, Sir bisa berlari sejauh katakanlah 1 kilometer. 1 kilometer. Berapa kecepatan, Sir? My speed is?
What, Sir?
Okay. In 1 hours, dalam 1 jam, Sir bisa berlari sejauh 1 kilometer. Oke, berapa kecepatan, Sir? Oke, dalam 1 jam, in 1 hours, udah, Sir berlari sejauh 1 kilometer. How many my speed?
1 kilometer per hour.
Yes, berarti kecepatan sir 1 kilometer 1 kilometer per hours. Nah, begitu nak. Jadi kecepatan itu menyatakan berapa sih jarak kita dalam waktu 1 jam. Nah, begitu ya. Berapa sih kecepatan kita? Berapa sih jarak yang bisa kita tempuh dalam 1 jam? That's the speed. Oke. Nah, next. Okay. Look at this now. You can write down the speed of Mr. Bayu or Mr. Ardi itu 65 km per hours. Jadi kamu tulis nak 65 km per hours. Nah, per H. Oke. Jadi cara menulisnya seperti ini nak ya. 65 km per hours. Jadi tadi kecepatan sir berapa? 1 km. My speed tadi 1 km? Yes, per hours. Ya. Ya. Jadi kecepatan itu nak menyatakan berapalah jarak yang bisa kita tempuh dalam 1 jam ataupun dalam 1 menit, tergantung waktunya apa. Oke. Okay, look at this now. I have some problems, number 2 and number 3. Okay, look at number 2 now, part A. Yeah, Karisa, please read now, part A. Jalil can
cycle 8 kilometer in 1 hour. His speed is blank kilometer per hour.
Okay, his speed is
6 kilometer.
Iya, 8 kilometer per hours. Artinya nak, arti kecepatannya 8 km per jam. Artinya dalam 1 jam, dia itu bisa melingkari, mengitari. Do you know mengarti circle nak? Mengitari. Dia jalan tapi dia berbentuk lingkaran, ya. Jadi dalam 1 jam dia mengitari sejauh 8 km. Oke. Part B. Abram, part B, please read nak.
Lita can run 300 meter in 1 minute. Her speed is meter per menit.
Oke. Her speed is, ayo.
300.
Yes, that's good.
300.
Ya, 300 meter per menit. Ya, it means artinya in 1 minute dia berlari sejauh 300 meter dalam 1 menit. That's impossible. What do you think? Who can run 1 minute 300 meter? Siapa yang bisa berlari? Hah?
Atlet maraton.
Marathon. 1 minute 300 meter. Wow, that's good. Okay, ya, part C. Its speed is
9 cm per second.
iya, 9 cm per second. Ya, 9 cm per second. Oke, part D. Its speed is
2 minutes per second.
iya, 2 meter per second. Iya, oke. Number 3. Ya, number 3. Part A. Bernard runs at a speed of 12.5 meter per second. In 1 second, he runs blank meter. Jadi kecepatannya 12,5 meter per detik. Itu artinya dalam 1 detik berapa meter dia? Kecepatannya 12.
12.
How many meter? Tadi
12.5.
apa? What is the meaning of this? Nah, apa artinya ini? Speed 12.5 meter per second. What's the meaning of this? Apa artinya ini?
12,5 meter per second.
Ya, artinya apa? Dalam satu detik berapa jaraknya?
12,5.
Iya, dalam satu detik, nak jarak dia berlari itu 12,5. Itu artinya in 1 seconds he runs 12.5 meter. Impossible ya, nak ya?
Iya, 12 meter dalam 1 detik, Sir.
Siapa nak? Who can run?
Flash.
Who can run 12.5 meter per second?
Flash.
12,5 meter per detik. Oke, yuk part B. A lorry traveled at a speed of 48 km per hour. In 1 hour, the lorry traveled blank 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 kilometer. How many kilometer?
48 kilometer.
Ya, 48
kilometer.
ya. Jadi arti kecepatan ini, nak, arti kecepatannya berapa jauh dia dalam 1 jam. Ya. Itu arti kecepatan, nak, ya. Berapa jauh dia dalam 1 jam. Oke. Any question? Any question?
No.
Oh, ya. Okay, if you don't have more questions, okay, look at this now. Number four. Aldiano, please read nak. Number 4 nak. Only read, come on.
Mr. Ahmad drive his lorry at speed of 45 km. At this speed, how far does
Wait. How to read this? 45 km. Tadi baca garisnya apa, nak? Per
hour.
Iya, per hours. Oke, ya, coba start over. Coba ulangi, nak.
Mr. Ahmad drive his lorry at a speed of 45 km per hour.
Yes.
At this speed, how far does Mr. Ahmad travel in?
Part A. Part A.
2 hours. Part B, 5 hours.
Oke, nak. In bahasa, jadi katanya si Mr. Ahmad itu mengendarai lori itu truk ya, truk. Am I correct, nak? Truk, lori in bahasa. Ya, jadi lori itu truk. Jadi katanya nak si Mr. Ahmad itu mengendarai truknya dengan kecepatan 45 km per jam. Oke. Nah, dengan kecepatan itu berapa jauh Mr. Ahmad, perjalanan Mr. Ahmad itu dalam waktu 2 jam? Berapa jauh? Yeah. What is the meaning of speed of 45 km per hour? What's the meaning is not?
90 km.
What's the meaning of this?
45 km per hour, Sir.
Iya, artinya apa? Artinya
25 km per jam.
iya, dalam 1 jam dia sejauh 45 km. Yang ditanya berapa jam?
90 km kalau 2 jam, Sir.
Iya, berarti kalau 2 jam berapa kilometer, nak?
90.
Iya ya, 90. This one, nak, ya. Nah, in 1 hours, Mr. Ahmad kan 45 km. Jadi artinya speednya 45 km per jam, itu artinya dalam 1 jam, si Mr. Ahmad itu sejauh 45 km. Itu arti kecepatannya, ya. Oke, yang ditanya 2 hours, 2 jam. Berarti tinggal kita
Kali.
iya, kali. 1 jamnya 45, berarti kalau 2 jam 45 kali 2 jadi berapa? 90 km.
90 km.
Oke, how about 5 hours?
225 km.
225 km.
Iya ya, just multiply, nak, ya, tinggal dikalikan, ya. 45 dikali 5, 225 km. Okay. Any question?
Nothing, sir.
Okay. If I run, kalau saya berlari 1 kilometer, my speed is, coba ya, my speed is, oh, so hard use this. My speed is 1 kilometer per hours. Okay. How far? In 3 hours. Ayo.
3 kilometer, sir. 3 kilometer.
3 km.
Kilometer.
Iya, dari mana tuh, nak?
Kali.
Iya, 1 dikali 3, ya. Oke, so the answer is 3 kilometer. Iya. Jadi dalam 3 jam, sir itu berlari sejauh 3 kilometer in 3 hours. Oke, nak, ya. Oke, any question? Any
Nothing,
question?
sir.
Nothing. Oke, look at this, nak. Tadi kan di soal 45 itu kan speed. Oke. 5 itu adalah time. Lihat, judul kita kan distance, time and speed, right? Am I right? What's our topic for today, now? Distance, time and speed.
Distance, time.
And speed. Look at the answer. Tadi kan 45 dikali 5 sama dengan 225, kan? 45 itu speed, 5 itu times, 225 itu distance. Jadi bisa kita buat koneksinya, nak. We can make connection bahwa if we want to find distance, okay, the formula is, kalau kita mau cari jarak, maka rumusnya adalah speed time distance. Look at this, nak. Speed times time. I'm so sorry, nak, ya. Speed times time. Ini speed, ini kali time, ini time. So, if we want to find the distance, you just multiply speed times time. Speed dikali dengan waktu. That's the formula. Okay, that's the formula, nak. Okay. I give you a question, nak. Look at this. Nih. Number 5. Look at number 5. A racing car is traveling at a speed of 175 km per hour. How far can it travel in 3 hours? Okay, what is the question? How far? How far itu maksudnya apa? Apakah dicari waktu, jarak, atau kecepatan?
Jauh, jarak.
Jarak, iya. How far itu maksudnya jarak. Berarti kita disuruh mencari jarak, distance. Ya, distance. Oke. What is the formula of distance, Talina? Distance adalah speed times time. Speed, kecepatan dikalikan dengan waktu. Oke, speednya berapa di soal?
175.
75. Oke. Time-nya? Yang ditanya time-nya berapa? 3 hours. So the distance is speed times time.
175 times 3.
Ya.
175 times 3.
Yes, that's good. 175 times 3. Okay, so the answer is
525.
525 kilometer. Nah, berarti the racing car can travel 525 kilometer. Berarti dalam 3 jam mobil balapnya itu jaraknya itu 525 kilometer. Wow, so far in 3 hours. Oke, nak ya. Jadi please remember, nak ya, the formula is if you want to find the distance, you just times speed and time. Kamu tinggal kalikan speed dikali dengan waktu. Speed times time. Speed times time. Oke? Oke? Oke, ayo. How about this question? Nak? What is the question? Apa pertanyaannya? What is the question? How
far can the bullet travel?
How far maksudnya itu apa? Apakah distance, times, or speed? How far?
Jarak.
Jarak artinya iya, distance. Nah, distance. Berarti yang ditanya distance. Nih, distance. Oke, ayo. Distance tadi, what is the formula of distance? What is formula? Apa rumusnya? Speed. Speed
times
time.
Iya, speed times time. Iya, speed. Ya, speed. So hard use this. Speed times time. Oke, nih. Speed times time. Oke. Kecepatan dikalikan dengan waktu. Oke, speednya. How many speeds?
250.
Ya, 250.
150.
Oke. How about the time?
2 seconds.
Oke, 2 seconds. So, you just multiply. Ya, 250.
Times 2.
Iya, times 2. Times 2.
100.
Okay. So the answer is
500 meter in 2 seconds.
500 meter.
In 2 seconds.
500 meter. So the bullet can travel 500 meter. Wow.
In 2 seconds.
In 2 seconds. Bayangkan, nak, dalam 2 detik 500 meter. It's impossible or not?
Yang bisa kayak gitu cuma cahaya.
No. Do you know what in bahasa a bullet? This one?
Peluru ya, Sir?
Iya, peluru. Jadi sebuah peluru itu ditembakkan dari senapan dengan kecepatan 250 meter per detik. Berapa jauh dia dalam waktu 2 detik? Bayangkan, nak, kecepatannya 250 meter per detik. Ini artinya apa? 250 meter per detik. Artinya apa tadi?
250 meter dalam 1 detik.
Iya, jadi dalam 1 detik, nak, jaraknya itu 250 meter. Bayangkan, ditembakkan peluru 1 detik udah 250 meter jaraknya. Wow, cepat kali ya. 250 meter. Berarti 2 detik 500 meter. What do you think? It's impossible or not?
Impossible.
No, it's not impossible, nak, karena peluru. Peluru loh ditembakkan. Kalau kamu lihat, pernah nonton film, kan ditembakkan aja burung yang lagi terbang pun bisa dari jauh, jarak jauh, cus, langsung kena dia. Kecepatannya 250 meter, ya wajar lah. 250 meter. Wow. Okay, now any question about this? Any question?
No, sir.
No? Oke. Itu tentang jarak nak ya, distance. Oke, how about this nak? Coba. Please Vincent, please read nak. Joyce swims. Ayo.
Joyce swims 450 meter in 5 minutes. Find her swimming speed in meter per
Oke.
minute.
Meter per menit. Oke, ini bahasa Joyce berenang.
Joyce berenang 450 meter dalam 5 menit.
Carilah kecepatan berenang dia dalam meter per menit. Oke, so what is the question nak? Apa pertanyaannya?
Find her swimming speed in meter per minute.
Apa yang ditanya? Distance, speed, or time? Speed. Nah, speed. Sementara tadi rumus yang kita tahu hanya rumus distance kan? Iya kan? Tadi rumus distance apa? What is the rule of distance? Distance? Ayo.
Distance times speed.
Ya, distance equal. What is the formula? Ya, apa rumusnya nak? Speed times.
Speed times time.
Iya, speed. Nih, speed times time. Nah, kecepatan dikalikan dengan waktu. Itu kalau mencari jarak. Nah, gimana kalau kita disuruh mencari kecepatan, nak? Rumusnya apa lagi? Nah, rumusnya beda, nak. Nah, jadi gimana cara ngapal cepatnya? Look at this, nak. I wanna teach you. Look at this. Nah, I have triangle. Sir punya segitiga. Segitiganya itu di atas itu hurufnya huruf D. D itu maksudnya distance. S itu speed. T itu time. Oke, once again, yang di atas itu distance, di bawah itu S itu speed, T itu time. Nah, gimana cara baca rumusnya ini, Sir? Look at this, nah. Kalaulah yang ditanya distance, distance, maka rumusnya S dikali, jadi garis yang berdiri ini itu dianggap kali. Oke, jadi kalau ditanya distance, speed times time, jarak dikali waktu. Oke, what about if the question is speed? Kalau ditanya speed, kalau yang ditanya speed berarti rumusnya distance divided. Nah, jadi garis ini divided by time. Oke, once again. Kalau ditanya speed, kalau yang ditanya time, ayo, what's the formula?
T-nya di atas, Sir.
No, kalau ditanya times, berarti rumusnya distance divided by speed. Iya, divided by speed. Oke, bisa ya? Ayo, once again. Ya, what is the formula distance? Speed times time. Iya, times time. Okay, that's good. What is the formula of speed?
Distance.
Iya, divided time. Okay, that's good. What is the formula of time?
Distance divided by speed.
Iya, distance divided by speed. Oke, bisa enak ya? Oke ya? Yuk, kita ulang, nak. I will erase this one, and I wanna draw the triangle. Ayo, did you remember? Ayo. In the up, yang di atas. What letter? What letter? Huruf apa?
D.
D. That's good. In the left side.
S.
S. In the right side.
T.
Okay. Okay. If the question is distance, what is the formula?
Speed times time.
Yeah, speed times time. Okay. If the question is speed, what is the formula?
Distance time.
Distance divided by?
Time.
Okay, that's good. If the question is time, what is the formula?
Distance divided by speed.
Iya, distance divided by speed. That's it. Oke. Jadi nggak usah dihafal rumusnya, nak. Yang perlu kamu hafal hanya triangle. Di atas huruf D, di sebelah kiri huruf S, di sebelah kanan huruf T. That's it. Nah, oke. I wanna try you. Evelyn, please unmute Evelyn. Evelyn, please unmute. Oh, what is that? Evelyn. Okay, Evelyn, please unmute, nak. What letter in the up?
D.
Okay. Distance. Okay, in the left side? What letter? Okay, S. Okay. In the right side?
D.
Okay, that's good. Okay. What is the formula of speed? What is formula of speed? Distance. Distance. Distance divided by
Time.
iya, distance divided by time. Okay. What is the formula of time?
Distance divided speed.
Distance divided by
Speed.
iya, distance divided by speed. What is the formula of distance?
Speed
Speed?
divided.
No, kalau garisnya tegak apakah divided? Kalau garisnya seperti ini apakah divided? No. Speed? 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 Times. Speed times time. Kecepatan dikalikan dengan waktu. Oke ya? Oke. Oke. Karis, thank you ya Evelyn. Karisa, please turn on your camera, Karisa. Karisa or Gracia, ayo kamu Gracia. Di atas huruf apa, nak? Huruf apa? Huruf? Oke, distance. Oke, in the left side? Huruf? Huruf? Yes, in the right side?
Yes, sir.
Okay, that's good. Okay, thank you. Okay, kena ya. Jadi just you only remember the triangle. That's it. Dah, kamu tinggal hafal aja segitiganya. Okay, number 7, nak. Number 7. What is the question? Apa yang ditanya? Speed. Tadi mencari speed apa rumusnya?
Distance
Ayo.
by
Ayo.
time.
What is the formula speed?
Distance divided time.
Yeah, okay, that's good. Distance divided by time. Iya, distance. Enak ya, distance. Distance divided by time. Divided ya, divided by time. Udah, selesai. Ya.
90.
What is the answer? Distance-nya berapa di soal?
450.
Oke, 450. Oke, that's good. Time-nya?
5.
5 minutes.
Iya, berarti 450 divided by 5. Oke, what is the answer?
90.
Iya, 90. Nanti satuannya apa, Nak? 90, ayo.
90
Meter
90 meter.
per
per
menit.
minute.
Iya, per menit. Iya,
Oh,
menit. Dah, this is the answer. Oke. Jadi please remember the triangle ya, Nak ya. Tolong dihafal segitiganya. Oke. Next. This one ya. Yeah, how about this? What is the question? Apa yang ditanya? Distance, time, or speed? What is the question? Speed. Oke, speed. Speed ya. Yang tanya enak ya. Oke, langsung ingat, Nak, apa rumus speed?
Distance
time.
Speed.
divided time.
Divided by 5.
Oke. Distance divided by?
Time.
Iya, divided by time. Dah, yuk. Distance-nya berapa? How many distance?
147.
Oke, 147. Times-nya? 3. Berarti divided by 3. What is the answer, Nak? Help me, please. 147 bagi 3 berapa, Nak? Help me, please. Help me, please. What is the answer? Come on. Help me. 147 bagi 3 loh.
9.
9? No.
49, sir.
49. Yeah, that's good. 49. Apa satuannya, Nak? 49? 49? Kilometer per hours. Iya. Kilometer per hours. Oke. Per hours. Ini aja, Nak. Kilometer per hours. Oke. Dah. Any question? Do you understand? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Okay, the last. I want to try you. Who? Ibrena, please turn on your video, Ibrena. I need you, Ibrena. Okay, Ibrena. Please fill this. Nah, coba isi nih. Di atas apa? What letter? Huruf apa? Come on, in the up, Ibrena. Oh my God. Evelyn, what letter, Evelyn? Huruf apa, Nak, dari atas? Huruf?
D.
Iya, D, distance. In the left side?
D.
No, in the left side? S. Okay, in the right side?
E.
T. Udah. Please remember this, Luna. Okay, what is the formula? Evelyn, apa rumusnya mencari distance? Nih. Mencari D.
Speed.
Mencari D, S.
Time.
Iya, dikali T. Oke. Mencari S. What is the formula?
Distance.
Iya, distance divided by times. Oke, that's good. Mencari T. What is formula?
Speed.
Oke, that's good. D divided by speed. Udah selesai. Ya, jadi yang perlu dihafal ini anak ya. Please memorize this. Tolong dihafal ini. Oke, ayo. Ya, terjawab yuk. Number 8. What is the question? What is the question? What is the speed? Yang ditanya speed nak. Yuk. Speed. Speed rumusnya apa tadi? Oh, tadi udah nih ya. Already ya. Oke lah. Already. Yuk, next. Oh, this one. Ayo. What is the question?
Distance. How long did she take to run and distance of 69 meter?
Oke, artinya apa yang tanya? Ditanya jarak, waktu, atau kecepatan yang ditanya? How long?
Panjang, sir.
No. How long itu artinya berapa?
Lama.
Iya, berapa lama? Maksudnya apa yang tanya? Kalau dibilang berapa lama?
Time.
Iya, time. Yang ditanya time. Berapa lama? Berapa lama dia? Ayo, time tadi rumusnya apa?
Distance by speed.
Distance divided by?
Speed.
Ya, that's good. Distance divided by speed. That's good, enak ya. Yuk, distance-nya berapa? Distance-nya berapa di soal? 96. Ya, 96. Oke. Speed-nya berapa di soal?
8
Oke, berarti 96 bagi 8 berapa?
12.
12. Oke, 12. Tadi waktunya pakai satuan apa tadi waktunya? Meter per
Second. Meter per
second. Berarti 12
second.
Iya, 12 seconds. Karena pakai satuan second dia ya. Oke, nah any question, nak? Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Oke, I give you exercise, nak ya. Oke, yuk. Ya, look at open your textbook nak, open your textbook page 192. Ya. Look at question number 10. 192, look at number 10. Ya. Please answer using method 2. Pakai metode yang kedua, metode kedua yang tadi nak, yang tadi kita pakai. What is the question nak, number 10? Apa pertanyaannya? Apa yang tanya? Time?
How long, Mr.
Speed.
Times, distance, or speed? Apa yang tanya?
Speed.
Are you sure? How long?
Distance.
Time.
How long artinya berapa lama? Berapa lama berarti itu? Iya, time. Yang ditanya time. Time tadi rumusnya apa?
Distance divided by speed.
Iya, distance divided by speed. Ayo, bagikan anak. Distance-nya berapa?
216.
Oke, 216. 216. Oke, speed-nya berapa?
44.
Oke, 45. 54. 54. Oke. Ya, berarti time-nya distance divided by speed.
Yes.
Berarti 216 dibagi 4. Berapa itu, nak? Help me, please. 216 dibagi 4. Dibagi 54. Ya, help me, please. What is the answer? 216 dibagi 54 nak, help me.
4.
4 ya? Oke, berarti waktunya 4 hours. 4 jam. Dah. Gampang kan nak kan? Easy right?
Yes.
You only remember the triangle. Dah. Ya. Now this is your exercise nak ya. This one. Ayo, please write down. Coba tulis dulu soalnya. Soalnya on your exercise or notebook nak. Now, ayo, please write down the question. Now.
Do you ever feel like a plastic bag drifting through the wind, wanting to start again? Do you ever feel so paper thin, like a house of cards, one blow from caving in? Do you ever feel already buried deep, 6 feet on the screen, but no one seems to hear a thing? Do you know that there's still a chance for you, 'cause there's a spark in you? You just gotta ignite the light and let it shine. Just on the night, like the first of July. 'Cause baby, you're a firework. Come on, show 'em what you're worth. Make them go and just shoot across the sky. Baby, you're a firework. Come on, let your colors burst. Make them go you're gonna leave them all in love. You don't have to feel like a wasted space. You're original, cannot be replaced. If you only knew what the future holds, after a hurricane comes a rainbow. Maybe a reason why all the doors are closed, so you could open one that leads you to the perfect road. Like a lightning bolt, your heart will glow, and when it's time you know, you just gotta ignite the light and let it shine.
Nak, what is the question? Apa pertanyaannya? Apa yang ditanya?
Speed.
Iya, that's good, speed ya. Speed. Ayo, rumus speed apa tadi? Ayo.
Distance divide
Distance divide by.
times.
Iya, that's good. Gampang kali kan? Ayo, distance-nya berapa nak?
92.
Oke, 92 divided by.
2.
Oke, divided by 2. Divided by 2. What is the answer? Nanti itu divided by 2. How many nak?
46.
30? 36? 46?
46.
46. Is it correct nak? 46?
Yep.
Oke, satuannya apa nak? Yuk. Tadi
46
jarak.
kilometer per hour ya.
Yes, kilometer per hours. Nah, berarti nanti during exam I already make the question like this nak ya. Jadi you only remember the triangle. Dah selesai. Gampang kali kan? I wanna try you. Donis. Enggak, Donis. Ayo. Di atas huruf apa nak?
D.
Tunggu, Donis, D. Oke, D. That's good. In the left side?
S.
Oke. In the right side?
T.
Okay, that's good. What is the formula of distance?
Speed times time.
Okay, that's good. Speed times time. Yeah, speed times time. What about S, speed? What is the formula, speed?
Distance
Distance time time.
by time.
Okay, that's good.
Divide.
Okay, what is formula of time?
Distance divided by
Distance divide by speed.
Oke, ya, divide by speed. Oke, that's good ya. Gampang enak ya. Tolong dihafal ini nak ini. The triangle. Dah selesai. Oke, any question? Any question, nak? Please say something. Let me know before we close. Have you done the question? Have you done the answer? Done? Okay, the last nak before we close. The last before we close. I have question number 2. Donis, have you done, Donis?
already, sir.
Okay, okay. Okay, ayo nak. What is the question? How far? How far maksudnya apa itu?
Times.
No, how far? Seberapa jauh? Berarti yang tanya apa?
Meter.
Jarak.
Iya, distance. Seberapa jauh katanya? How far? Seberapa jauh berarti yang ditanya distance. Oke, part A. Yuk, part A. Kita cari distance-nya yuk. What is the formula of distance? Ayo.
Tulis itu, sir.
Iya, nak, tulis, nak. What is the formula of distance? Ayo, remember the triangle. Apa rumus distance?
Speed times
Times.
speed times
Iya, speed times time. Oke. Ayo, speednya berapa, nak? Di soal.
500.
Oke, 500. Oke, that's good. 500. How about time?
8 minutes.
Part A. Part A berapa menit? 8. Oke, 8. Ya. Ya, berapa ini? Ya, 500 kali 8 berapa? Help me please. Help me please.
350. I don't know. 3,500. I don't know.
500 kali 8 berapa? Oh my God. What is the answer? 500 times 8.
4.000, sir.
Oh, 4.000 loh. 4,000. Oke. 4,000. Apa satuannya, nak?
4,000 kilometer per
Kilometer satuannya. Apa satuannya?
minute.
No, satuannya apa? Kalau jarak.
4,000 meter per menit.
No, meter per menit itu kecepatan satuannya. Kalau jarak yang kamu ambil hanya meternya aja, meter nih.
Meter.
Iya, 4.000 meter. Dah, selesai. Jelas, 4B. Ih, besar kali ya, 4B. Yuk, distance, speed times time. Oke, ayo nak, speednya berapa, nak? 500. Wow. 500 times by time-nya berapa? Part B.
56.
Oke, 56. Aduh, 56 besar kali. Yuk, 56, help me please, nak. What is the answer? Help me please. 500 kali 56. Help me please. Coba kalikan dulu.
Berapa, Sir?
Inilah 500 kali 56. 500 kali 56 berapa itu?
28.000.
28.000 ya? 28.000. Wow, 28.000 apa satuannya, Nak?
Meter.
Iya, meter. Dah. Wah, gampang kan? Easy kan, Nak kan? Easy, right? Jadi, so you just remember the triangle. Any question, Nak, before we close? Any question?
No, sir.
No?
No, sir.
No? Okay, I think enough for today. There is no homework for today. I already record, Nak, ya. But there is no homework, ya. See you. Thank you. Bye-bye. Bye.